How's it going, YouTube? Well, it's Monday. We leave for No Name on Wednesday. So, we gotta get red loaded up on the trailer. There's a truck and the trailer right there. So we're gonna get red loaded up on the trailer today. Alright, we'll be back. So yep, now I just gotta tie red down, make sure he's balanced. I think it might actually be a little more tongue weight than what I want, but it's close on there. So yeah, we'll be going to No Name. Truck's loaded up. Now all I gotta do, like I said, is strap it down. We're ready to rock and roll. So y'all get to see me Wednesday afternoon if you want to show up Wednesday. So, I just want to make a short video of getting the truck loaded up. So, later guys.